Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we have another makeup mystery box. And you guys know I love me some mystery boxes. This is from a new company that I really never heard of before. It's called the Private Society Cosmetics. I was tagged so much on Instagram and I'm like, let me go ahead and get it because you guys know I'm addicted to mystery boxes. So if you want to see what is inside of this mystery box, was it worth the $75? Keep on watching. Okay, so before we begin, if you are not already following me on Instagram, make sure that you do because I give you a little more of my personal life on my Instagram, but I also shared that I did get my lips done. So I got filler in my lips, and I will also leave down below a little video on Instagram that the people who did it kind of like filmed me a little bit. And I'll explain more about that later. So they're still a little puffy. I got them done just a few days ago, so they're swollen a little bit, and they will go down. So I just want to let you guys know, and I am so excited. So let me know what you think down below. All right. Anywho, let's talk about this mystery box. I don't know what it is, but for the past few months, I have been like obsessed with mystery boxes. I don't know what it is. I've done some like Amazon mystery boxes. I will leave it down below. But this is all makeup. Like I said, I haven't heard of this cosmetic brand before. So let me know down below if you have. It is called Private Society Cosmetics. So this was $75 and you were guaranteed to get at least $205 worth of value. So I was like, yes, yes, and yes. So let's open her up and see. I basically just got this. I got this with the 4th of July weekend sale. So this just came in. All right, so here is a little peek. Not too much. All right, so let's see what we got here. Let me take everything out of the box so I can make it a little bit easier. All right, so it looks like I got 8, 9 items. So we have 2 boxes here. I don't know what that is. And a bunch of, it looks like lipsticks or something. I don't know. But where is my knife? Because they packaged everything really, really good. So that's good. Like I said, I've never heard of this brand, so I've never tried anything from their brand. So I'm really excited to try. All right, so this is the Gloss Boss. And I love lip gloss. I wear lip gloss every day. What shade you be? What are you? Malibu is the shade. So let's see. Well, this is packaged really well. It's packaged in this right here so it doesn't move. But the packaging is really, really pretty. Like this comes out a little bit. So let's see what she swatches like. All right, so there is the applicator. Let's see. Okay, so it's a lip gloss. It's like a pinkish color. I don't wear too much like pinky colors, but I love mixing colors together. So I'm definitely excited for any kind of lip gloss. Love that. All right, so what else we got? So here's something else here. All right, so this says double-ended contour stick. Okay, and what shade is this? Does it say? I don't know. Let's just open her up. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So you have like a highlight shade and a contour stick. So let's see. Oh, this is probably like a light in the light shade because this looks very light. Let's see. Okay, oh, that'll definitely be my color. I wish it was a little bit more like a little bit darker, but that's all right. I'll definitely try it. And here is the highlight shade. Here we go. That'll definitely match me. But if you're like anybody darker than me, it won't match. So I hate when they do like any kind of mystery boxes does like complexion stuff because, you know, in case you're a little bit darker or if this was too dark for me. But that's what mystery boxes are. You never know what you're going to get. But that's why I love mystery boxes, you know. It's like Christmas. I am like struggling trying to get this bubble wrap off. Okay, so this is a liquid eyeliner. So I don't use any liquid eyeliners, and this is in the shade black. I'm going to take it out just to see what the packaging looks like, but I'll definitely put this in a future giveaway. And it's just, you know, regular packaging. So I'm going to put that right back. I'm not going to open it up. And that'll go into a future giveaway. So we have that. All right. And then we have this square thing. It says setting powder. So let's see what that is. Guys, I love the packaging. Even on the box, like this is like raised out some. It always has PS for private society. I just think that is so cool. Okay, so this says, let's see, what should be? This is a face powder. It says Get Set Face Powder. And this is like more of like an apricot color, which is fine with me. I don't mind that. So yeah, I'll definitely use this. I don't know, like it doesn't say like a shade. It just says Get Set Face Powder. But like I said, I'll definitely use it. I just really like the packaging. Love this. And these are, it looks like it says these are all pro line. So this is MUA approved. So I guess this is also for like makeup artists and stuff, which is great. All right, so then we have 3 more of these thingamajiggies. All right, so this says Metal and Matte 3-in-1 Double-Ended Liquid Lip. Yes. Another, I don't know why, I just really like the packaging. Ooh, look at that. So you have like a purple and then you have like a lip gloss. Yes, this would have been like really pretty color if it was like eyeshadow. All right, let's see. So it's a regular doe foot. I really like this so far. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's a very opaque. This would kind of went like with my makeup I'm wearing today. Then we have like a little lip gloss I'm smizing. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Look at that. I don't know if you'll be able to tell that lip gloss. That is just beautiful. Let me see if it's buildable. Let's see. Yes, look at that. Oh, I love this so much. I really, really am happy with this so far. Love it. All right, so then we have this. All right, so this is a long-lasting lip liner in the shade Wicked. What was that double-ended one? What was this called? Heaven. All right, and this is Wicked. Heaven and Wicked. That's funny. All right, so that's what it looks like right here. Oh, and it's like a purplish lip liner, like a reddish, like a burgundy. It would actually really go well with the lipstick. So it's kind of like they put everything together that matches, which I think that is really, really cool. All right, and then the last thing we have is this before we get to the boxes. So this says Ratchet Red. All right, let's see what you be. Okay, so this is the Liquid Matte Lip. It's a lip lock in Ratchet Red. So actually, what's pretty cool, like kind of like ripping the box open, is that if it matches, so you could wear the lip liner with this lipstick or with this. So I like that too. All right, I had to rip that whole box. All right, so this is a really pretty color red. All right, so there's the applicator. It's just like a straight applicator. Oh, that's pretty. That's like a blue tone red, which I like. So yeah, that lip liner would definitely go with that as well. All right, so far I will use everything except for the liquid eyeliner. All right, so then we have these 2 boxes here. So one says Smoke Show. This must be an eyeshadow palette, and this is a Glow Getter. So this has to be a highlighter palette. All right, so let me do the highlighting palette first. I really like how everything is packaged really nicely so that, you know, nothing really gets broken. Oh my God, look at the packaging. Now this is just a box. This doesn't open up, but it looks like an envelope. And then with one of those like old school stamps that you would wax and it like sticks out. I don't think I would get rid of this box because that's how pretty it is. I am so impressed with this so far. Okay, so that's what it looks like. This here again sticks out, and then you have this little it like magnifies right here. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so it goes all the way back, which I like, but look at this, guys. And the mirror is pretty good too. Oh, let's do some swatches. Like, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to do the top row, and they feel great. I'm definitely going to look into this company. Look at that, guys. That is just so pretty. And there are the first 4 shades there. And here are the last 4. And what's great about these like darker colors for me, I can wear them as eyeshadows. So if it's too dark or if they're too light. And there are, I know, I swatch funny. I hope the camera is picking up. This is really, really nice. Like, I'll definitely use these. And then the darker shades for me will be too dark as highlighters for me. But I will definitely like use them as like shimmer shades. Definitely. All right, so last but not least, we have this. It says Smoke Show, and I'm surmising it's a palette. Yes, it is a palette. And again, the packaging is just beautiful. It looks like an envelope. There is the back. Oh, this is really, really pretty. So there we go. And then again, it has this. Oh, okay. So you have a nice mirror. I love the fact it goes all the way back. And that's what she looks like. That is really pretty too. All right, let's do a couple swatches. Let's do some of the shimmer shades. So I just picked a couple just to see. And there they are. I know I swatch funny. They're not like my favorite shimmer shades, but I haven't tried them wet. So, you know, you can always make shimmer shades work. So let's do a couple of the mattes. That's what's the most important. And they do feel like butter. Wow. Let's do a black. Okay, so here are just a few of their mattes. The blue is a little patchy, but I went in the second time and it definitely is buildable. So that's the eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I haven't tried it on, but I'm definitely intrigued with this company. So let's recap really quick what we got for $75. So we have this eyeshadow palette. Like I'm saying, the packaging is just so beautiful. I really like the packaging. So then we have the highlighting palette, which I love. We have the black liquid eyeliner, which I'll put that in a future giveaway. That's the only thing out of everything that I won't use. We have a Gloss Boss lip gloss, which I really like. The lip gloss right here. Very pretty. Like I said, I'm not really into like the pinky colors, but I can make it work. So then we have this contour stick, which is right here, the contour and the highlight. We have a liquid lipstick, the red color right here. We have a setting powder. We have the lip liner right here. And we have the double-ended lipstick, which is right here, which comes with the matte lipstick and the lip gloss. I definitely think that this is worth it. I'm not sure if this is still available. I will leave it down below. I do know I get tagged a lot, so I don't know if they, you know, have mystery boxes a lot, but I am really happy that I got this, and the packaging is really good. But let me know what you guys think. What did you think of this? Have you ever heard of Private Society Cosmetics? Let me know all the tea, and let me know what you think about my lips. Like I said, they will go down, but I basically wanted to get them because as I'm aging, I am 44, I'm starting to get like little lines up on top of my lip, and my lips are also had gotten a little bit smaller. So just for my personal, for self-esteem reasons, but I'm really happy with them so far, and I'm really excited. But let me know what you think. Is it too much? Not? Let me know all the tea down below. And yeah, that's everything, guys. So please let me know what you think. I'm not going to do like I used to do in the... let me try that again. I'm not going to do what I used to do at the end of my videos where I say give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down, because I'm finding out YouTube changed like the analytics a little bit. So if you get a lot of thumbs down, it used to be considered as engagement, the same thing as thumbs up. But now if you get a lot of thumbs down, they're not like promoting your video. So if you enjoy this video, please give me a like. And make sure you comment. Let me know what you think of this mystery boxes. I'm really impressed. And that's everything, guys. Please stay blessed. Stay healthy. Try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Wow. I can't get over how this packaging is so beautiful. My God, I love it.